cozy warmth at the touch of a button and wherever you are. This is virtually impossible with traditional heating systems. With E-NERGY CARBON, comfortable warmth is now flexible, smart, and energy efficient. Just 0.4 millimeters thick, the electric heating foil is suitable for all surfaces and can be installed within ceilings, walls, and under floors. This gives it a wide range of possible applications. In buildings with modern insulation, the system can be used either as a fast response, whole house heating system or together with other heating systems as a hybrid solution. The low investment costs and the small amount of space required also make it useful for renovations or home extensions. Wherever you need heat, E-NERGY CARBON is a space-saving and convenient heating system. Thanks to the safety low voltage, this can be used in the bathroom and even the shower itself. The heating foil can also be used for building protection. It keeps the temperature of surfaces above the dew point, making it ideal for the long-term prevention of mold growth. The system is quick and easy to install because no structural work is required, which also means no construction waste. It can simply be troweled on and is still extremely efficient and very durable. Drilled holes for fixings and cutouts for ceiling downlighters or sockets are not a problem. In addition to the foil, a power supply unit is all that is required. The small number of components in the system make it entirely maintenance-free. Powered by ecologically generated electricity, E-NERGY CARBON is not only a climate-friendly alternative, it also significantly reduces the complexity of heating. For flexible, sustainable, and instantaneous feel-good warmth.